Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so you don't waste time later. First, open Settings and make sure iOS is up to date and Face ID is enabled for App Store purchases. Next, check that camera and Face ID permissions aren't restricted. These allow the True Depth sensor to authenticate you. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient sensor locks and return to Settings Face ID to prepare for the reconfiguration step that follows. Now you'll perform the reconfiguration and test the flow. Go to Settings Face ID and Passcode, tap Reset Face ID, then follow the on-screen guides to enroll a fresh scan. Keep your face centered and move slowly during both enrollments. After rescan, toggle on Use Face ID for iTunes and App Store so purchases are allowed. Then, try a free app download to confirm authentication works before attempting paid purchases. This verifies both sensor and account. Finish by validating the whole purchase flow and applying one key troubleshooting tip if problems persist. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh account tokens, then attempt a small download. If Face ID still fails, run Apple Diagnostics or visit support since hardware issues can block the True Depth system. Most commonly, a quick clean of the notch area and ensuring good ambient lighting resolves capture problems. If not, back up and contact Apple for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.